4,000 years ago, a sophisticated urban civilization flourished along the Indus River in what's now Pakistan and India. Then they simply vanished. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, was one of the world's first great urban cultures, as advanced as ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, but far more mysterious. At its peak around 2500 BCE, over 5 million people lived in over 1,000 settlements across an area the size of Western Europe. Their cities were marvels of urban planning. In Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa, streets were laid out in perfect grids. Houses had indoor plumbing and bathrooms, luxuries that wouldn't be common in Europe for another 3,000 years. They created a writing system with over 400 symbols that we still haven't deciphered. What stories, knowledge, and histories are locked inside these mysterious characters? Unlike their contemporaries, they left no massive monuments celebrating kings or gods, no grand palaces, no evidence of armies or warfare. So who held power and how? Then, around 1900 BCE, this advanced civilization began to fade. By 1700 BCE, the great cities stood abandoned. What happened? Theories abound. Climate change may have dried up the rivers they depended on. Some suggest devastating floods. Others point to disease outbreaks or invasions. Recent evidence suggests prolonged drought as the Indus River changed course, combined with political and economic breakdowns. Yet unlike the Maya or Romans, they left no final story, no record of their downfall. Their script died with them, taking their secrets to the grave. The people didn't die out. Their descendants likely still live in South Asia today. But their incredible urban civilization, their writing system, their way of life, these vanished almost without a trace. Sometimes the most profound mysteries aren't in distant stars, but in our own past, entire civilizations whose stories we may never fully know.